Uh, Good morning, everyone. So we have here Vikramjit Singh. Very good morning, beta. Harjot Kaur. Very good morning. So Abhijot Singh. Very good morning. So in today's revision, I can discuss very simple questions from your all syllabus. Very simple questions. Okay. So write first a very simple question. Start. Okay. You can just write down your answer in the comment box. First question is. Yesterday we have discussed surface area and volume, right? So my first question is express from very first chapter, express x is equal to 0.253 bar in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. First one. Second question, solve or multiply here, or I can mix the question. One is your 2 under root or 2 under root 5 2 under root 5 minus of 3 into 5 plus 3 under root 2, right? Question number 3. Question number 3. So here we will take first a very simple questions, 1 mark question, okay, and I will discuss with you the pattern for this year examination, grade 9, grade 10. You will get total 36 question in the final paper, okay, and this year you have to go for the question 1 to 16, that is question number 1 to 16, 1 mark question, and then question number 17 to 20, that is about case study, 4 questions. You will get 5 questions, and out of 5 questions you have to solve only 4 questions, right? 17 to 20. And then the B part of the paper, that will be question number 21 to 36, right? So total in this year pattern final year paper you will get total 36 questions, right? So we will share some sample paper with you also. So yes, go on giving the answer. Solve for first what is the value of it. Third question. The third question is the radius of the sphere is 2r, then what is its volume? Find the volume of a sphere, find the volume of sphere, find the volume of sphere whose radius is 2r. Whose radius is 2r. Question number 4. So Aradhana, very good morning bache, welcome in today's class. Next question is, what is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree? Polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial, that is, polynomial is given 4x raised to power 4 plus we have 0x cube, 0x cube plus we have 0x raised to power 5 plus 5x plus 7. 1 mark question. I am discussing these all 1 mark questions. Question number 5. Okay, Harjot, first question. So here I will discuss with everyone. Let me discuss this first question here with you. Let already given, let x is here, that is 0.253 bar. So here this number can be written as 0.2535353 so on. If I am multiplying Vikramjit also, very right, 251, right answer. Both your answer is right. So here, if we are going with 10, we cannot subtract. Because we are going with 10, it will be 2.53535. We cannot subtract here. So we will move ahead, multiply this. That this is equation number 1. Multiply 1 by 100, we will get 100x is equal to 2535, right? 3535 so on. When we subtract now, when we subtract the numbers, one is 25.353535 so on, and here 0.2535353 so on. So 5 get cancelled. When we subtract here, what we will get? We will got 25.1. So after subtracting here, we got 99x is equal to, so what is x? X is equal to 251 upon 990. So very right. Thank you Harjot and Vikramjit. Other students, some more students, those who have joined, please try. Okay. So don't afraid from your calculation. Don't afraid from your, okay, your answer is wrong or right. Just try it. Okay. This is the way to study mathematics. Right. So question number 2, simple. Two numbers are there. We have to find their product. Let me give fifth question also. Simultaneously, I will give you questions also. These all are 1 mark questions. These all are 1 mark questions, right? If in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, BC is equal to AB, right? A triangle is given ABC and BC is equal to AB, and angle B is 80 degree. Given angle B is equal to 80 degree, then find the angle A. Find angle A here. Question number 5. Take one more question on same triangles, right? That is, if AB, or you can take it on a rhombus also. ABCD is a rhombus such that ABCD is a rhombus such that angle ACB is 40 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 40 degree. Then find angle ADB. Find angle ADB. Angle A here, you have to find what is angle A and angle ADB, right? So here I have seen some answers. Vikramjit, very right. The 6th root 10 plus 10, okay. Root 2 minus 5, okay. Thank you. Let me check and let me confirm your answer here. So when we multiply here, let me erase the first one. When I am opening the back bracket here, first one, that is under root 5, second as it is, minus of 3, and again 5 plus 3. First, only first bracket we are opening, right? So Harjot also 10 under root 5 plus 6 under root 10 minus 15 minus 9 under root 2. Okay, so here when we multiply, where right? It is what? 2 into 5, that is 10 under root 5. Here 6 under root 10 minus of 15 minus of 9 under root 2. So here signs are absolutely right. 6 under root 10 plus 10 under root 5. So 10 under root 5, it is 10 under root 5 is 6 under root 10. Please check it here. So he is also right, 6 and both right answer minus 15. So here these are numbers, no variable here. So you can write in any manner. If we have some variables like equation in the form of x, y, then we can write in the standard or in that form. Okay. So thank you for this question. Next one, find the volume of a sphere. So it is not easy to write you. Let me discuss the third question with you. When we have a sphere, we know question number 3, sphere whose radius is given 2r. The radius here, that is, we will write here radius, because r cannot be 2r. I cannot write, so it is already 2r. The radius of the sphere is given 2r. This is twice of r, this distance from center of sphere. So here what is the volume? Volume we know 4 upon 3. If I am writing it's r cube. So we will substitute the value here, that is 4 by 3 pi 2 r whole cube. So this is that is 8 into 4. It is what? 32 upon 3 pi r cube. Right? Same formula, just we are moving with the. Okay, next question is about the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So volume is 33.5 r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r. R is 2r here, so 2r is 8 into 4. 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 into 4 is 32 upon 3 pi r cube. Right? So next, degree of polynomial. Polynomial here is 4x raised to power 4, 0x cube plus 0x5 plus. Yes, what is the degree of the polynomial? Polynomial is 4x raised to power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x5 plus 5x plus 7. What is the 0 of the polynomial? 33.5 r cube. Okay, you are substituting the value of 22 upon 7. So, okay, Harjot, if you are writing like 30, I have chosen 32 upon, that is what, 3 into pi, if you are going 22 upon 7, right, into r cube. This value may be your, so if you are moving, multiplying, and so you may get that is the same value. So degree, Sahajpreet, very good morning, beta. Sahajpreet also, all are writing 5. Please check again. 1 mark question. Although this is in the sample paper, it is MCQ form, and 5 is also option, but that is not the right option. That is not the right option. Why? Because here 4x raised to power 4 plus 0 x raised to power 3 plus 0 x raised to power 5 plus 5x plus 7. This is the polynomial here. Please check 0. The coefficient is 0 here and this is 0 here. So here when we multiply with 0, these terms will become 0. Actually, the polynomial is this one. Now what is the degree of the polynomial? So you all are then wrong, right? When the coefficient of, like we have studied in the linear equations in two variables, suppose I have an equation that is, how I can write, if this is standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of a linear equation, then here what is a is 1, what is b is 0, and what is c is minus 3. If I have to write this in the standard form, I will write 1x plus 0y minus of 3 is equal to 0. This is standard form, or simply x plus 0y, or even we can write it as x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have sometimes 4 marks question. If I am talking about linear equations in two variables, chapter number 4, so here this kind of question is sometimes coming 4 marks. They are asking what it represent in one variable and what it represent in two variables, right? So here Vikramjit, the angle that is 50 degree. So okay, we will Abhijot Singh sir, lots of buffering is there. Other students, you can check, just provide me feedback like Vikramjit, Harjot, what about the your connectivity? Because here I have my connection is okay. Okay, internet is no problem in from my side here. You can check your network. No buffering is there. Yes, right, Vikramjit. Because I am using at my home and I have here good Wi-Fi. No buffering. Thank you, Harjot, and only this picture quality, right? But I am writing big, even I can write more font size I can increase. So thank you for your Saj Preet also, very no buffering is there. So thank you all, Saj Preet. Question number 5 already you have solved. Let me discuss what is the question number 5. Question number 5 is about your isosceles triangle. ABC, draw triangle ABC in which BC and AB are equal. If you have a triangle in which one is your BC and one is your AB, right? So here if AB and BC, if I'm suppose I'm taking one is your AB and BC, these two sides are equal, suppose AB triangle BC is equal to AB given, and angle B, suppose this angle is given 80 degree. So very right, these two angles must be equal. This is angle X and this is angle X. So what we have, X plus 80 degree is equal to 180. Twice of X is equal to 180 minus 80. So X is equal to 100 upon 2. So very right, Vikramji, that is the angles B is 80 degree. Angle A, that must be 50 degree. This is also 50, this is also 50 degree. Very simple 1 mark question. So here Harjot also very right. Sahajpreet very right beta, 50 degree. Now Vikramjit is already given the answer ADB. Other students also go for 6 question, and I will give timing few more questions to you. We can discuss so many questions today. Okay, be quick. And don't hesitate to answer. You can answer even wrong also. It is only learning. So these are 1 mark questions. After holidays, you can some worksheets you can check on your Facebook page for the holidays, and after Diwali break I will share you some papers, sample papers. Total this year we will get 36 questions, and your case studies, questions based on case studies, you have to solve in your final exam also. Four questions, question number 17, 18, 19 and 20. You will get 5 questions. Out of 5 you have to solve 4 questions, right? So 140 degree is saying about question number 6. Rhombus. How to draw a rhombus? I hope you have understood how to draw a rhombus. In a rhombus, we know the diagonals, they bisect each other first, and second, they bisect each other at 90 degree. And what is the specialty of the rhombus? All the 4 sides. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Confirm. If we have a quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides they are equal, that is called your rhombus. Now same figure is called your square when all these angles, angle A, B, C and D, they are 90 degree, right? So what is the simple difference between your rhombus and the square? In square, all the angles A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, all are what? 90 degree. But in rhombus, the all angles they are not, because sides are equal. So here what is the, we can frame that is, one is point A, one is B, one is C, and one very important condition here, that is regarding with the rhombus is also a special case of a parallelogram. Your rectangle is a parallelogram, rhombus, square, okay, all the properties. So parallelogram is the important which we have studied in grade 9. So we know in a parallelogram the opposite angles are what? They are always equal. So here, such that if I am talking here about angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, all 4 sides they are equal. Now they are talking about angle C, such that ACB, this angle here, ACB, this angle is of 40 degree. Now what is angle ADB? Yes, very right. This is again we have to join the diagonals. Here what is AC and BD? They are the diagonals, right? So anyone? Already I have received the answer from Vikramjit. We know these angles are 90 degree, right? This angle is 40. This is the isosceles triangle here. This angle must be 40 degree, right? And these all, in fact, these all sides are what? Equal. And these all angles are what? 90 degree. These all angles are 90 degrees. So here, this is a kind of isosceles triangle. Triangles are congruent. This angle is 40 degree. This angle is 40. So this angle is what? 50 degree. So here angle is 50 degree. Angle, this is 50. So what is this angle? This angle is a 50 degree. So here they are asking angle ADB. Angle ADB, that is 50 degree, not 140 degree. So Harjot, your answer that is very right. Abhijot Singh also very right. 50 degree. Sahjpreet Kaur. So question number 6 also the angle is again 50 degree. Next question. Let me give you some questions from your circles also, right? One very simple question here. It is of 3 marks question. Question number 7. You can 1 circle is given, right? In this circle we can or take it as a semicircle only, or one AB. Here what is given? CD are the points on the semicircle with the diameter AB. If AB here is the diameter, AB is the diameter, AB is the diameter here, right? And we have a point CD with the angles given. We have the angles given. One point is C here and one point is D here. Join C with D and now join the diagonals. Join first A with C. This is the now A, B, C, D, right? Although it is A, B, or you can choose here, make it a cyclic one, then it is A, B, C, D, right? Now join the diagonals. Join the diagonals here, A with C and B with D. Now the angles are given. One is angle BAD is given. Angle BAD is given. That is given 75 degree. And angle DBC it is given 40 degree. Right? You have to find three angles. Right? You have to find three angles, or let me write here only. You have to find the three angles. Find what are the three angles. One is angle that is ABD. Second, that is angle ACB. And third, that is the angle BDC. All three angles, right? So diagram is given. What is the angle BAD? BAD. This angle is of 75 degree. What is this angle? 75 degree. And DBC. DBC. This angle is of 40 degree. So find, this is the question number 7. Take one more simple question, 1 mark now. So here, go on solving these simple questions based on circles. So here next question is factorize. Although it is a lengthy question, let's take a factorization question, very simple questions. 1 mark question first. Or using the identity, if you have to solve, find 102 raised power 3 by using identity. Right, using the identity. Question number 9. In question number 9, you can find yes, question number 7. Anyone who have found these angles? Question number 9. Find Okay, but you cannot represent here on the board powers. This is okay. So simply give for the simple answers the question which you can answer easily. Write express in the decimal form. Express, 1 mark question from express. The number here is 2157 divided by 625 in decimal form. Express 2157 in the decimal form, right? State whether it is terminating or not. Important is state whether it is terminating. This is the important question, 3 marks question then. State whether it is terminating or not. Means whether the decimal representation that is terminating or non-terminating. Right? So here no response from question number 7. Let me discuss here. This is a semicircle. On a semicircle, always any angle that is 90 degree. One condition. We have studied the theorem angle subtended at the center. All these angles, anywhere you can take the angle, that is always 90 degree. Angles on the semicircle here, what does it mean? This angle is always 90 degree. This angle is always 90 degree. What are the angles? Angle here ABD. What is angle ABD? This angle is 90. This is 75. So this angle must be 75. This is 15 degree. What is the angle? Angle is 15 degree here. Now what is the angle ACB? ACB. It is confirmed 90 degree. Angle subtended. If it is A here, this is B and this is point C here. So angle C is always 90 degree. Third angle, that is angle BDC. BDC. So here one angle is already, we have to find first this angle here. This is the important one. BDC. So in BDC, how to solve? We have now this angle 40 degree, this angle is 15 degree. Now, is anyone, this is a very simple question. We can apply here the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. Here ABCD is also a cyclic quadrilateral. In this question, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. If here these are the points, you can apply this concept here. This is the semicircle. So these A, B, C, D, this is cyclic quadrilateral, and cyclic quadrilateral angle, this angle plus this angle is always, if angle X and angle Y, X plus Y is always 180, supplementary. Their sum is same. If this angle is W, this angle is Z. W plus Z is also 180 degree. Confirmed. So yes, what is the value of angle BDC? Apply the concept here. This is very, very simple one. So how to do it? Here, look at the board. This angle BDC, to find BDC, this angle, and this angle is X. We are interested to find angle BDC. We know that angle B here plus angle D is equal to 180. So what is angle D? X plus 90. What is angle B? 40 plus 15 plus X plus 90 is equal to 180. So in this way you can solve. Concept of cyclic quadrilateral. So third part it will become more typical then. Right? So question that will be of 3 or 4 marks then. Right? And question is on circle. Here they are saying AB is the diameter. So what is it? We have 55 degree plus 90 degree plus X, that is 180. So what is X? So angle here, angle BDC, which is X here. So X here is 180 degree minus of 55 and 90. That is 145. So 35 degree is the answer. X is what? 35 degree. Right? What is X? X is 35 degree. So come to now 8th question. What is the answer? Don't use calculator or mobiles. Use identity. How to? Just check question number 8 also. Question number 8. We can write 100 plus 2 raised to power 3, and we will apply the identity, that is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So what is it? This is equal to plus 3 plus 300 into whole square. Right? So no one is solving it. Let me solve for you all. But you have to give the exam. So don't afraid from the calculation work. Right? So it is 3 into 2, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0. And same here, 4 into 3, 1200. Just add them, that is the answer here. Right? This is the answer. Unit place, you will get 8. Then you will get 0, then 2, 1. So here we have all 4 numbers. This is 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And here, this is the answer here. What is the value of? The value is, by using identity, you can also check 0, 1, 2, 8. You need to remember the identity. Okay. So this is question number 8. Question number 9 is important. Very simple question based on your chapter number 1. Express. Now second, that is important, whether it is terminating or non-terminating. Now if you are going for the division, then it will be a difficult one. You can have to apply some rule, some property which we have discussed. That will be easy. That is 2 raised to power n, 5 raised to power m. What is the rule? 2 raised to power n, 5 raised to power m. Okay. So students, please tell whether it is terminating or non-terminating. So next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is, again, take it on the circles, right? Question number 10 here. In question number 10, we have one circle, right? In this circle, we have center O. A is the point, B is the point here, O is the center, and C is the point here. And we have these two angles. This angle is 20 degree. This angle is given 20 degree. O is the center here, and this angle is 30 degree. These two angles, they are same. You have to find this angle X. Find X. Find X. Whereas this question is concerned, if decimal form, if you want to go for division, it is long. But we can write this 2157 divided by 625 in the form 2157 5 raised to power 4, right? 25 into 25, and so here I can move add with 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 4, right? This is 1. So I can write here 257 divided by 10000, and here 2 raised to power 8, that is 16 here. So division is little lengthy, multiplication is easy. So here Harjot, very good, she's saying terminating very right. We can write 5 raised to power, this is number is 5 raised to power 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 4, and this is 2 raised to power n into 5 raised to power m form. What is this form? 2 raised to power n, 5. When the denominator is in this form, always this is terminating. We have just applied the concept here. These kind of questions are generally asked in grade 10 also. So here, what is the, because the question is of 3 marks, you have to solve. Like here, I have received the answer 4512. So if you are not writing this decimal representation or decimal form, you will not get full marks. So here, multiply here now, multiplication is easy. When you multiply by 6, 6 sevens are 42, 30, 30 plus 4, 34, 3 is the carry. So it is 9 and it is 12. Then with 1, that is 2157. So 2 here, 11 and 15, 4 and 3. So she is very right. What is this? The number here is 0000 and here is 34512. So what is the decimal form? That is 3 point. So Harjot, she is absolutely right. That is terminating. Okay, now switch over to question number 10. Switch over to question number 10. We have last 4-5 minutes. Be quick. Don't afraid from the calculation work. Right? So here, angle X, angle BOC. Right? We have even angle X is find angle BOC, and question can be asked also find reflex of BOX, reflex of BOC, or reflex of angle X. So here we know that if we join here by construction, if I am joining OA, if I am joining O with A, what I will get? I will get OA, OB, OC as the radius of the circle. What is here? And we can use the concept of isosceles triangle, isosceles, right? In isosceles triangles, if the sides, two sides, they are equal, the angle should be of same measure. So what is this angle? This angle here, that is 140 degree, right? Now what is this angle? This angle must be again 30 degree. So here this must be 30, 60. So it is what? 120 degree. Now complete angle. That is what? 360 degree. So we have angle X plus 140 degree. This implies that when we add, it is what? 260 degree. So what is the value of X? X here is equal to now 100 degree, and if reflex is asked, reflex is 360 minus X. So that is 260 degree, right? So with this, I wish you a very happy Diwali. Okay, we will continue our revision from all these chapters, all whatever now syllabus the CBSE they have prescribed, and very soon you will have then your final examinations, maybe in the month of Jan. Okay, and new session it will, like, we know very soon you will be in the school also. So with this I am ending today's class. Okay, go through some assignments, they are shared on the Facebook page also. If you have some doubts, I am available, okay, on WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me any questions, any doubts from any source. So with this, wish you once again a very happy and prosperous Diwali, right? So thank you Harjot, thank you Sahaj, all students, Vikramjit. Okay, so thank you very much.